Good morning everyone. I RM Patel of class 9C is today gonna give you a brief overview of what is nitrogen cycle, which is a part of our chapter natural resources. So let's start. So first of all we need to get an overview of what we are going to learn today. So by seeing this diagram you can get an overview. So let us move forward. So first of all we need to know what is nitrogen cycle from seeing this intro slide. So nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process through which nitrogen from the atmosphere is converted into usable form and consecutively passed through biotic and abiotic factors in the atmosphere, and it involves several processes such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, denitrification, decay and purification. So now let us move forward. So first we need to know that how we can define nitrogen cycle as well in written form. So nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process which transforms the inert nitrogen present in the atmosphere to a more usable form for living organisms. As we know that we cannot use the 78% nitrogen in the atmosphere, and we need to convert that into a usable form. So now we are moving on towards the stages of nitrogen cycle. So there are mainly 5 stages named as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification and denitrification. Now let us read them one by one and get what to know about them. So first of all is nitrogen fixation. You can get to see a diagram about it. So nitrogen fixation is the first and most initial step of nitrogen cycle. In this step, the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia for living organisms is known as nitrogen fixation. And in this process is carried out by symbiotic bacteria which are known as diazotropes, and azotobacter and rhizobium are the main two bacteria which plays a role in this process. So now next step is nitrification. In this nitrification step, so ammonia is first converted into nitrates, and then nitrates is converted into nitrites. As we know that ammonia gas is toxic for plants, and you can also see a reaction for this below. Now next step is assimilation and ammonification. So we can read these two steps at once. So first, assimilation. Plants take the ammonia from plants absorb the nitrates or nitrites from which is converted from ammonia into the organic nitrogen, and it is also known as nitrogen assimilation. This process is called nitrogen assimilation, in which we absorb nitrites and nitrates and convert them into organic nitrogen, and then the organic nitrogen is transferred to animal's body when plants are eaten by the animal. And in the ammonification, when plants or animal die, therefore their organic nitrogen is converted into ammonia and for some more useful further biological processes. So our next thing is uh, denitrification. You can see a diagram to get a simple diagram of nitrogen cycle. Now let's read about denitrification. It is the last step of nitrogen fixation. So denitrification is a process in which the nitrates and nitrites are converted into nitric oxide and then back into the atmospheric nitrogen form. So nitrates are converted into molecular nitrogen through nitric oxide is also known as denitrification, in order to maintain the equilibrium of nitrogen in the atmosphere. So bacteria involved in this process are known as denitrifying bacteria. The examples are Thylobacillus denitrificans, Pseudomonas denitrificans and Microsus denitrificans. And now let us move forward towards the importance of nitrogen fixation. So we can read them as help as nitrogen fixation help plants to synthesize chlorophyll into nitrogen compounds, helping in converting inert nitrogen gas into usable form for plants through biogeochemical processes. The process of ammonification. The bacteria help in composing the animal and plant matter, which is directly help clean up the environment. This is also one important step. And the next is nitrates and nitrates are released into the soil, which helps enriching the soil and its necessary nutrients for the cultivation. And here are also some problems with increase of nitrogen, which are acid rain formation, acidification of soil and lakes, and last is increase in death of plants. Now we are moving towards the final slide. So here you can get an overview of what we have learned today by seeing this nitrogen cycle and get a recap of it. Thanks for watching.